Alright, here we got the HP Envy x360. Just picked this up at Best Buy. Got this banging effluent audio, whatever that means. I don't really care about all that. I just got it for school and whatnot. There we go. Opening it just now. Came out to $700. Didn't get no Microsoft Office. None of that bullshit. Damn. This thing look nice though. It's a 2-in-1. 2-in-1 laptop. So you can flip it over. So I'm trying to film this with one hand. It's kind of hard. That's a 2-in-1. You can flip it over and turn it into a fucking tablet, you know. So here she is. I just like the look of it right away. Plus the hang on a second. The processor seems pretty legit, like comparable to the i5. It's got the AMD Radeon 5, I think it's called. But yeah, comparable to the i5 processor apparently. So there you go, Envy. It's pretty nice little laptop. Where's the fucking power button on this son of a bit? Oh, there she is. Oh, right. Nice backlit keyboard. Very nice, very nice. The initial startup. The HP Envy x360. Yeah, I got this for doing some programming, trying to teach myself how to become a computer programmer. If any of you guys have any tips, I'm on free code camp right now. But drop a comment. Let me know if you have any tips. Up and coming computer programmer here. Yeah, I guess it's got a touch screen too. You can use like a stylus. Yeah. AMD Ryzen 5 processor. 4 modes and Windows ink. Yeah, that's with the fucking stylus. I didn't get that though. I have no use for that stylus bullshit. Or the touch screen really. But it's cool to have, I guess. Never had a computer with a fucking touchscreen on it. Well, this is probably going to be pretty boring, just the initial startup. Let's go ahead and pause it. I'll come back once she's online. Let's do some benchmarks.